Hello, children. In this class, we are going to know about Anand Kumar. Who is Anand Kumar? You have seen the movie also, Anand Super 30. Okay, so we will learn about Anand Kumar Super 30. What is Super 30 here? We will come to know about Super 30 by reading this lesson. Okay, and in this lesson, you will come to know about the advantages of some good institutions, like why coaching classes are important. I'm not saying that from early age, from the beginning of your schooling, coaching classes are very important. But when you are fighting for exam, when you're preparing for exam, you really need help from some specialist of that subject, okay, for that particular subject. That's why some good coaching institutions are there. Those who are providing good coachings to the good coaching, good classes to the student to prepare for IIT, JEE, NEET like exams. Okay, so if you see who will help Anil, here one story is given about Sunil and Anil. One boy belongs to poor family. See, both are very intelligent, okay, but one is poor, okay, one belongs to poor family and one is rich. So one can go easily to the coaching classes, but the another boy is unable to pay the heavy fees of coaching institution. So how that guy, how that child or how that boy can get a good education without paying a huge amount to the coaching classes? So let us know about one famous personality of India, that is Anand Kumar. Fortunately, we do have some. One such person is Anand Kumar of Bihar. Okay, he belongs to Bihar, who contributed greatly to the society in spite of facing many challenges in his own life. See, children, the life, the journey of the Anand Kumar is very difficult. Anand Kumar studied in a Hindi medium government school as his father did not have money to send him to a private school. Later, Anand got admission in the Cambridge University in England also, but he couldn't study there. Why? Because of his father's death, and he has no money to pay a heavy fees of Cambridge University, which is in London. So, what he decided, he started working on mathematics, okay, in the daytime, and in the evening time he used to roam here and there to sell pappers with his mother. And in 90, how this story started, in 1992 he started teaching mathematics in a rented room, in a rented classroom. And in early 2000 a poor student came. See, this by this student only he got some idea and he started Anand Super 30 classes. Okay, so a poor student came to him to get coaching for IIT JEE. However, he did not have many he don't have any money to pay Anand's fees. This encouraged Anand to start the Super 30 program to help the needy, bright students. Then this program was started in 2002 along with the former Bihar Director General of Police Abhyanand. Remember this name also. Okay, in this task, in this activity, Abhyanand is also participating. So Anand Kumar with Abhyanand has started this, revolution, we can say, or we can say program, this Super 30, Anand Super 30. Under this program, 30 bright students are selected from extremely poor families and are provided free coaching, food and room to stay so that they can focus on studies only. And when he started the classes, more than 350 students from Super 30 have cleared the IIT JEE exam, and some of them belongs to laborer family, some belongs to farmer family, and some are just the shop helpers. And by the effort of Anand Kumar, these children got some new life. After passing out from IIT, they got good jobs in India and even in abroad also. And to the surprise, Anand Kumar is in the Limca Book of Record also. Okay, his name is registered in Limca Book of Records in 2019 for his contribution in helping poor students pass the IIT JEE by providing them free coaching. He has also received many other national and international awards for his contribution to the society. So this is all about the story of Anand Kumar. So in the next class, we will learn about some more famous personality. Till then, thank you, students.